Welcome to BBC School News Report. This is Aneri and Mansi reporting from New Era School. So, the top stories for today are: New Era gearing up for big dance and warm-up games as part of London Olympics 2012. The erstwhile Maharaja of Vadodara, Sayajirao Gaikwad's 150th birth anniversary, celebrated with great pomp and show. Adopts a black bug and lorikeet at the local zoo by selling self-designed calendars and raising funds. So the main story for today is 40% increase in the English-speaking people since the last 20 years. So the details are: used in numerous countries either as a first language or as an alternative means for cross-cultural communication, about 700 million people speak English worldwide. The 40% increase represents 1/7 of the world's population. Well, India sees a 274% increase in English medium enrollment, and other countries observe some rise too. People view English as a language of communication and conversation. Parents feel that enrolling their kids in English medium schools would get them better job opportunities in future as well as self-confidence. English as a medium of instruction is considered vital in development and interaction. Thus, more and more parents are preferring English medium schools for their children. Here we have our correspondents Sarthak and Bhavik with opinions regarding English as a medium of instruction in exclusive interview.
Greetings, this is Sarthak reporting for BBC School News Report. And today we have with us Latika aunty who is a nurse in our school. तो आपने कहाँ से पढ़ाई की हुई है?
मैंने गुजराती मीडियम से पढ़ाई की है।
और आपके बच्चों ने कहाँ से पढ़ाई की हुई है?
मेरे बच्चे इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ते हैं।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर, मैं आपसे क्या थोड़ी देर बात कर सकता हूँ?
बोलिए।
अच्छा सर, आपने कौन से स्कूल से पढ़ाई की हुई है?
गुजराती मीडियम।
They said that in spite of studying in Gujarati medium school, that is a vernacular medium, they prefer English medium school for their children in order to get them better jobs in future and be able to compete in this highly competitive world. They said that after taking education in a vernacular medium and due to financial conditions, vernacular medium schools was the only option left for their children to get enrolled.
Thank you so much. This is Sarthak with cameraman Bhavik reporting for BBC School News Report.
Hello, this is Bhavik reporting from BBC School News Report, and here we have with us Mrs. P.S. Kelkar, Principal of New Era School, in an exclusive interview. So ma'am, why do you think learning English is vital?
English is very vital because it is a universal language, and therefore all of us must know with the knowledge explosion. If we are going to be the superpower as Dr. Abdul Kalam is expecting us to be by 2020, we all of us need to be very proficient in knowing the universal language. I'm not undermining the importance of your mother tongue or your national language, but this universal language is equally or rather more important in today's world.
Then why do you think the number of students enrolling in English medium school is increasing very rapidly?
It is increasing. One is because, as I said, English is important. Everybody wants to get the benefit of knowing English. One. Two, rather more importantly, it has become a prestige issue that my child studies in English medium school, and it is perhaps perceived, I don't think rightly, but it is perceived that if the child is in English medium school, he becomes smart. I don't think that is very true. Just because somebody wears a tie and nice socks and shoes and wears a good dress doesn't mean that you are smart. The smartness comes from within and not from outside. But then people feel that my child goes to English medium school, sings a few rhymes and then talks in English, right or wrong, is perceived, and that is why the number of children enrolling in English medium school from the low strata, economic strata, is increasing. In the higher strata, it is because people keep on getting transferred from one place to the other. And as a result, always studying in vernacular schools is not going to be possible. Just imagine people coming from south wanting to study in Gujarati medium school. It would be impossible. So also people want to put the children in English medium schools.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
So, with the views of Mrs. P.S. Kelkar, This is Bhavik with cameraman Sarthak from BBC School News Report.
So, observing the recent trends and peering upon the opinions of people, as well keeping aside the factors of affordability and convenience, umpteen parents prefer to enroll their wards in English medium schools. Well, that's all for today. This is Mansi and Aneri signing off from BBC School News Report. Thank you.